Ceiling fans are an ideal way to refresh any space, and they provide a distinctive touch to the design. Hi, I'm Laia from Faro Barcelona, and in this video we are going to see why you should choose this cooling system. Before starting with the advantages of the ceiling fan, it is important to say that its use is not limited to the home, but it can be installed in any space such as offices, restaurants or retail. Let's look at the benefits of a ceiling fan. First of all, it offers a healthy coolness. The most important thing about the ceiling fan is that it creates a pleasant cooling sensation up to 8 degrees cooler than the actual temperature. It does not dry out the environment as it does not need to condense the air. It's the most natural way to cool down the air. Let's talk about consumption. Ceiling fans are one of the most efficient solutions when it comes to cooling down a room. In fact, they consume up to 47% less electricity than other air conditioning systems. Let's talk about installation requirements. While traditional air conditioning systems require the installation of an outdoor appliance, ceiling fans only require a light socket. Did you know that ceiling fans also repel insects? The air generated by the rotating blades makes it difficult for them to fly and also makes them feel that they're in a hostile environment. Ceiling fans are also useful in winter because by activating the reverse switch, we manage to lower the hot air from the heating system that accumulates in the ceilings. And by doing so, we manage to heat a room more quickly and efficiently. Finally, they add a decorative touch to any room or space and are the perfect combination of aesthetics, utility, and energy savings. Thus, they are the best solution for any space. If you're looking for a ceiling fan at Faro Barcelona, you will find the widest and most varied range on the market. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more lighting and ventilation tips. If you're thinking about buying a ceiling fan and you don't know which one to choose, here's a video with the most frequently asked questions about how to choose.